tayo ay magsa-soundcheck ng brand new nating titanium audio model STAGE15, 15 inches passive speakers, and of course itong titanium audio na GX7UB. Same silang titanium audio, no? So direct pa tayo sa power amp, I mean sa amplifier. Nasana yun sa power amp. Wala tayong mixer muna. So here we go. Cellphone lang tayo, okay?
Downloaded from djpoolrecords.com. djpoolrecords.com.